Okay, come on. So,
Good evening.
everybody is there?
Coming, sir.
The 8 participants are there.
Shall we start?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so
हाँ ना हम नीचे
Thakur, Thakur.
Good evening, sir.
good evening, good
Good evening,
evening,
sir.
good evening.
Good evening, sir.
Please maintain silence, okay? I am requesting
Okay,
so.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening. So, shall we discuss about uh, equivalent weight? Equivalent weight. E stands for equivalent weight, okay?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
And its value can be calculated by calculating molar mass by X factor.
Sir, recording.
Already started.
Not showing.
It will not show, but it started, okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay. So E equal to M by X factor.
Huh?
Hello? Huh?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Already we are in doubt 4 o'clock. See the ID correctly, okay? Okay, children. So equivalent weight is equal to molar mass by X factor, okay?
Okay, sir.
For time being, I will tell you what is the X factor in this particular case, okay? Slowly you will come to know how to calculate X factor, okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
And if you find difficulty in X factor, just you take it as X only X. Molar mass divided by X.
धन्यवाद
What is
आयतो
X? What is X? X is number of electron exchange. Number of
मम्मी
electron.
ये ठीक है ना?
Okay, children.
Exchange. Yes, sir.
So this
Yes, sir.
ability means knowing that how many electrons are exchanged at now this thing some student can understand, but some student it will take time. So for time being, I will use to say means hello.
Yes, sir.
For time being,
Yes, sir.
I will just give you the information that how many electron has been exchanged. You can ask. You have that right. Okay. Up to
Okay, sir.
3-4
Okay, sir.
classes, you have right to ask what is the X factor. Okay.
Okay, sir.
In each molecule, I will tell you what is the X factor. Then slowly you will understand the meaning of X factor. कौन बात कर रहा बोलो तो खाली मेरे को बता दो.
I think Simran.
Yes, sir.
क्या नाम है?
Simran.
Simran.
सिमरन. सिमरन.
Yes, sir.
ओके ठीक है. हेलो.
Yes, sir.
हाँ. तो tell me the formula for equivalent weight.
M
Molar mass by X factor.
Okay. So no need to write every time X factor. Simply you can write X also. Because we are habituated, no, that's why we know that X is nothing, it is X factor. That's why it is actually divided by X only. One number is there, bus. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. So one information is this one, and other information is NEQ. Tell me the meaning of NEQ.
Equivalent mole.
Number
Number of
equivalent
equivalent moles.
Equivalent.
number of equivalents.
Number of equivalents.
Okay, and number of equivalents equal to weight by equivalent weight. And in this manner we can calculate equivalent weight. And NEQ is nothing, number of equivalents, and number of equivalent is equal to W by E. And
Okay, sir.
another term
Okay,
is
sir.
normality. A normality is nothing, it is number of equivalent by volume in liter. That's all.
All
Volume
are
should be in
connected.
liter. Volume of what? Solution.
Okay, sir.
So these four informations are very important. So tell me, equivalent weight equal to
Molar weight by X.
Molar weight by X.
X. Okay. And if you want some, X is nothing, it's a number only. But if you want some more standard, you can use X factor.
Okay,
Okay, sir.
To maintain that standard,
sir, can you please scroll up, sir? I will.
क्या? Scroll up करें?
Sir, can you please scroll up? I will write, sir.
Already scrolled up.
Oh, the max. Okay.
Take screenshot.
Number of NEQ means
Number of equivalents.
and what is the formula of NEQ?
Weight by
Weight by
equivalent.
By
And what
by
is the
equivalent.
formula of normality?
EQ
Number of equivalent by volume solution in
Volume of
liter.
solution in liters.
Yeah. Okay. What is the unit? Unit of normality?
Capital N.
Sir, mole per liter.
No. Mole per liter is molarity. So
Oh, sir,
it is number of equivalents. No, you are using. So unit is
Yes, sir.
okay, NEQ per liter. NEQ, and NEQ is nothing, number of equivalents.
Equivalent.
Okay, children.
Okay, sir.
Okay. And one more information that normality is denoted by N, and it is number of equivalents by volume in liter. हेलो हेलो. पेमेंट नहीं हो रहा है सर, वो बोल रहा है बार बार रिजेक्ट हो जा रहा है पेमेंट. हाँ, shall I send the message to you? It is getting link open, then everything I Hello. Yes, first AP Telangana. Next is that reference number, no, 0891 like this, 5657. Enter. It is getting rejected. I don't know why. I will send you the message. I have tried for 4 times. Uh, Once again, I will again try. Okay. Okay. Thanks. But I am in class. No, I will call after some time. So number of equivalents. If this is the formula, can you write like this? NEQ equal to normality into volume.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So we can use either in this direction or we can use in this direction. If you divide, you will get
Yes, sir.
normality. If you multiply, you will get number of equivalents.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And
Yes, sir.
during any reaction or any process, okay, remember N1 V1 equal to N2 V2.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
This is before process, this is after process. I will tell you what is this before process and after process. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So it
A similar equation we got in molarity. M1 V1 is equal to M2 V2.
yeah. So and multiply the product of normality and volume is nothing. It is number of equivalents.
Oh, okay, sir.
So one rule is there. Number of equivalents are always same.
Okay,
Always
sir.
same. That's why normality into volume equal to normality into volume. This is before process, this is after process. So
will you repeat from
Yeah.
the beginning from where you have started?
yeah, I will repeat. Late joining.
Yes, sir. Actually,
So
my
today-
network issue was there.
Today we started that equivalent weight. E stands for equivalent weight, and somebody asks you to calculate equivalent weight, then you have to ask him two values. One is molar weight and another one is X. X is
Okay, sir.
nothing. It is number of electron exchanged during the process.
Okay, sir.
So one thing is this clear? So to calculate
Yes, sir.
equivalent weight, you required how many values?
M and X, two
M
values.
and X. Sufficient. That's all. M and X you required. Now you have to divide or multiply. That is your concern. You have to remember that you have to divide or multiply.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So you have to divide molar mass by X. That you have to remember only.
Okay, sir.
And what is NEQ?
Number of equivalent weight.
Equivalents. Number of equivalents.
Okay.
Okay. What is the formula to calculate number of EQ?
W by E.
W by E. And how can you calculate E? Use this equation. First one.
M by X. Yes.
M by X. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And what is normality? What is normality?
NEQ by volume of solution in liter.
Yeah. What is its unit?
Liter. NEQ per liter.
What is the full form of NEQ?
Number of equivalents.
Yeah. What is X?
Number of electrons exchanged.
During the process. So if you multiply normality and volume, you will get number of equivalents.
Okay, sir.
Okay?
Okay, sir.
Right. And every time, remember, any process, number of equivalents always same. Number of equivalents are always same. Okay?
Okay.
Yes, sir.
One noise is coming. Can't you maintain that noise?
Okay, sir. I'm telling, sir.
Just identify.
Okay, sir. Sir, maybe from Saran.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir. So the sound is coming from Saran Sarkar, sir.
Sarkar.
Thank you, sir.
Sarkar.
Okay, sir. He muted himself, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
No, Sarkar is already in muted form only.
Yes, sir.
Saran Sarkar. So noise gone. Again noise is there. Still noise is there.
Yes, sir. Something Vishal Kumar is making noise.
Kumar.
Vishal Kumar.
Vishal. Oh, it is
Now
also.
he has unmuted, sir. Now he has unmuted.
Okay, right. Good. We have to observe like this. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Again.
Okay.
So now let us start. Okay, children.
Yes, sir.
Start.
Okay, sir.
Yes,
So
sir.
the best way to learn any topic is to solve some problems on that. Automatically your brain will open.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
the best way to learn any topic is to solve some problems on that. If you solve
Yes,
some 8 to 10 problems, you will become perfect in that topic.
Yes, sir.
So I will give you different problems. So the best way to develop the skill is to solve the problems. So I am giving you one problem. See, question number 64. Okay, page 28. Already I have given you this all questions. No, I have sent. No.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. In the morning you have done this question.
Yes,
Before
sir.
you
You
have
have done it.
Sir, you have done up to 69.
No, I did from 69, but I started from some 67 or 66 like this.
Sir, you have done
67 and
60,
68 were
67,
done.
Okay,
Sir, you have
okay,
done
anyhow.
67 and
Okay,
69.
let us repeat. If you have done also, let us repeat it. What weight? VIGHT. What weight of sodium hydroxide is required to neutralize 100 milliliter of 0.1 normality HCl solution. Okay, option 1 4 gram, option 2 0.4 gram, option 3 0.04 gram, and option 4 40 gram. Come on, tell me the answer.
Sir, what is the last line, sir?
Last line is see, what weight of NaOH is required to neutralize 100 milliliter of 0.1 normality HCl solution. Okay,
2.1 normality HCl means?
what does it mean? That same story I was telling here only, no? Okay, come on, who asked this question?
Sir, Shah.
Okay, then now please pay attention for 5 minutes.
Sir, 0.01.
You have given the
Answer.
answer.
Controlled and
Okay.
muted.
What weight of NaOH is required to neutralize 100 milliliter of 0.1 NaCl?
0.01.
Okay, children.
0.01 option is not there.
0.01 is not in the option.
Okay, so just
I
use
think
2
he has
minutes.
said
Again, you can rethink.
The weight of NaOH is required to neutralize 100 ml of 0.1 NaCl.
Okay, shall I move forward?
yes,
Shall
sir.
I start solving? So you have used all
Yes,
your
sir.
brain. Complete.
Yes, sir.
Sir, yes.
Yes, sir. You solved.
So now
Yes, sir.
just wait and see how I am solving the problem. Okay,
Okay, sir.
right.
Okay, sir.
So I started. See, I thought like this. This is the container. The volume is, okay, children, 100
Yes, sir.
100 milliliter. Okay,
Okay, sir.
100 milliliter means 0.1 liter.
Yes, sir. Volume.
Yes, sir.
Okay, and what is the normality?
0.1.
0.1.
0.1 normality. Okay, so 0.1 equivalent per liter. Can you tell me what is the X factor over here? X.
0.01.
No, X. What is the X for HCl? Okay, 1.
1.
I told you.
1, sir.
Yeah, I told you I will be telling you the value of X. See, I told you that I will be telling you the value of X. Okay, children?
Yes,
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
During the reaction, this molecule will, okay, show exchange of 1 electron per molecule. Okay,
yes, sir.
Okay,
so
sir.
that's why
Sir,
X
I didn't
equal.
understand this.
You will not understand, beta. You are not focusing. See, after just asking question again, you will go for 20 minutes anywhere, and again you will come back. I know. So, see, this is the molecule, no, HCl. When it will react, no, it will do like this. So it gives appearance that 1 electron has been transferred from this to this.
Yes, sir.
So that's why I told you X equal to 1. During this process, what happened? और देखो दीदी आ गई उसकी, पढ़ाई में ध्यान दे बेटा। तो अब देखो, करो बदमाशी। एक एक करके आओ।
Thank you, sir.
ये कौन ऐसे करने लग जाता बीच बीच में बदमाशी?
सर हमको मिल नहीं पाता।
Thank you, sir.
तो यहाँ x कितना हो गया बेटा? 1.
ओके सर।
Yes, sir.
ओके, तो x 1 होने से क्या होता है? मोलारिटी और नॉर्मलिटी क्या हो जाता है? सेम। ये याद रखना पड़ेगा कि नॉर्मलिटी जो होता है ना, वो मोलारिटी से ऐसे रिलेटेड है, m इंटू एक्स, m इंटू एक्स। ओके,
Yes, sir.
और जब x 1 होता है तो नॉर्मलिटी और मोलारिटी दोनों चीज सेम होता है।
Okay, sir.
मैं एक और एग्जांपल दे रहा हूं, H2SO4, ओके।
Okay.
इसका जो एक्स फैक्टर होता है वो 2 होता है।
ठीक है सर।
हेलो, 101 ए ब्लॉक सर, ए ब्लॉक, हाँ ए ब्लॉक, ए ब्लॉक। नॉक द डोर। हैप्पी, इसका ना एक्स फैक्टर 2 है, क्योंकि एक सिंपल सा तरीका है। कितना तो एच है बता दो। वो रिएक्शन के समय दोनों H प्लस लिबरेट कर देगा, तो 2 H प्लस लिबरेट हो गया ना, तो हम लोग उसको कहते हैं एक्स फैक्टर 2 है उसका। वो सब इलेक्ट्रॉन एक्सचेंज पे निर्भर है। तो इस केस में H2SO4 में क्या होगा बताओ? नॉर्मलिटी और मोलारिटी के बीच का जो रिलेशन होगा क्या होगा? 2।
मोलारिटी इंटू 2
या नॉर्मलिटी इज इक्वल टू मोलारिटी, जो भी उस सॉल्यूशन का मोलारिटी देगा उससे 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करोगे, वो उसका नॉर्मलिटी होगा। इसको चालू करने बोलो तिकोना को। नहीं है क्या तिकोना है क्या वो? हाँ, केबल है उधर लगा हुआ। ठीक है बेटा, आगे बढ़े।
ठीक है सर।
यस सर।
ठीक है, इसीलिए अभी इसमें मत आओ जो हम बोले कि अभी ना एक्स के लिए थोड़ा सा 2-3 पीरियड, 2-3 दिन तक थोड़ा मेरे ऊपर ये करो कि हाँ एक्स पता कर करके हम बताते रहेंगे, फिर ऑटोमेटिकली समझ में आने लगेगा। तो मैंने कहा एक्स एचसीएल में एक्स कितना होता है? 1 होता है। तो उसका मोलारिटी और नॉर्मलिटी दोनों चीज क्या होगा? इक्वल होगा। बड़े आगे। तो हम ये बोल रहे हैं कि इसका नॉर्मलिटी 1 है और इसका एक्स फैक्टर भी 1 है, तो हम कह सकते हैं ना कि इसका मोलारिटी भी 0.1 है।
यस
सर।
ये चीज जानने के लिए हम बार बार बोल रहे हैं कि उसका नॉर्मलिटी से मोलारिटी में कन्वर्ट किए हैं बाय नोइंग एक्स फैक्टर।
ओके सर।
तो ये एक्स फैक्टर अभी मैं बता दूंगा, 2-3 दिन तक बताते रहूंगा। ठीक है,
ओके सर।
यस सर।
तो अब मेरे को आप ये बोलो कि इस रिएक्शन में नंबर ऑफ मोल्स कितना हुआ? नंबर ऑफ मोल्स
0.02
0.1
बताता हूँ, देखो यही ना है आपके पास। तो ऐसा बोल सकते हैं ना, मोलारिटी इज इक्वल टू नंबर ऑफ मोल्स बाय वॉल्यूम इन लीटर।
यस सर।
तो मोलारिटी यहाँ पर निकल गया कितना है? 0.1। वॉल्यूम कितना दिया हुआ?
मल्टीप्लाइड 0.1
0.1 लीटर।
यस सर। 0.01
तो नंबर ऑफ मोल्स कितना हो गया बोलो? 0.1 इंटू 0.1 करो।
0.01
0.01
0.01 श्योर?
यस सर।
Okay. Now you know the reaction NaOH
प्लस
plus
HCl
will give you
NaCl प्लस H2
NaCl and water.
H2
Am I clear?
यस सर।
Yes sir.
So you know nothing is written means 1 is written.
यस सर।
Nothing is written is 1 is written.
यस सर।
So 1 mole of HCl will react with 1 mole of NaOH.
यस सर।
0.01 will react with 0.01 of NaOH.
यस सर।
So this is number of moles of HCl. This is number of moles of NaOH. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So you know number of moles is equal to W by M.
Mass by molar mass.
So here we know that what is the number of moles?
0.01.
0.01. You know the molar mass of NaOH? 40.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
So you can transfer 40 into 0.01 is equal to W. That only wanted to know in the question. This is the value. Can you
Okay,
tell me
sir.
the value? 40
4.
divided by what? 100.
100.
Yeah.
0.4.
0.01 means dividing by 100.
Yes, sir.
What will
Yes, sir.
What will be the answer?
0.4.
0.4. Any option is there?
Yes, sir. Second option.
Second option, sir.
So this much concept is required, children. Now tell me, which information helped you lot?
The normality equals to molarity into n factor.
So for timing, I will give you the value of x. So you have
Okay, sir.
authorization to ask only the x value. Remaining you have to know your own.
Okay, sir.
And x value also I will give for only for 2 days. Remaining again you have to continue with your x value only. You have to understand what is the value of x. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So do you want to know again? Do you want to understand this question again?
Sir, I have understood, sir.
Everybody got this point?
Yes, sir.
Question number 64. Option 2, yes. So move to the next question. In this question, what you have learned? Tell me. In this question,
Sir, normality equals to molarity into n factor.
how can you convert normality into molarity? So normality is equal to molarity into x. Okay.
Yes, sir.
X may be 1, x may be 2, x may be 3. Okay. Sometime x may be 5 also, like this. हाँ बोलो.
Okay, sir.
Okay, children.
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
So generally x may be 1, 2, 3 or 5 or 6 like this. So I will tell you the value. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Next question. So this reaction, this problem wanted to know that you are able to use this equation or not first. Then they have a balanced chemical reaction, and then again they have used this one also, W by M, this formula also. Question number 65.
Okay, sir.
H2O2 is sold as a solution of approximately 5.0 gram H2O2 per 100 milliliter of solution. The molarity of this solution The molarity of this solution is approximately is approximate is option 1 0.15 molarity, option 2 1.5 molarity, option 3 3 molarity, and option 4 3.4 molarity. हेलो जिया,
Solution.
हम बोल रहे थे कुछ बढ़ा कि नहीं मैटर? क्या बोल रहा हो लोग अब? अच्छा, टिकट्स अवेलेबल नहीं है क्या अभी? फ्लाइट कोई अवेलेबल नहीं है?
जो फ्लाइट के लिए फॉर्म भरे थे उसमें भी हम लोग का नाम नहीं आया।
फिर नहीं आया है?
नहीं।
इस बार सब लिख दिया था कि कार्ड सब है, मतलब पासपोर्ट वगैरह?
हाँ सब।
और फ्लाइट नहीं चल रहा अभी?
नहीं।
ठीक है, चलो वही अपडेट लेना था, इसीलिए हम कॉल किए थे। ठीक है, चलो हम
आप रविकांत सर से फोन करके पूछिए।
एक बार व्हाट्सअप कर दो ना मेरे को रविकांत सर का नंबर।
मेरे पास नहीं है।
ठीक है, वो मैडम का है?
हाँ हिमा मैम का है।
चलो हिमा मैम का नंबर भेज दो, बात कर लेते हैं, पूरा फाइनल है ना। नहीं होगा तो और कोई तरीके से लेके आना पड़ेगा। ठीक है, शिप वगैरह जो भी कुछ चल रहा होगा उससे लाया जाएगा। ठीक, चलो। Okay, children.
Okay, sir.
So, see, enjoy this question. H2O2, hydrogen peroxide, is sold as a solution of approximately 5 gram of H2O2 per 100 milliliter of solution. See, this is the information given. When somebody gives information about the quality and quantity of solute and solvent in a solution, means they are trying to give the idea of concentration. So
Okay,
this is one kind of concentration. So the concentration which has been given here is not in a standard way. Okay, that's why they want to know the standard, that is molarity of this solution. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So for molarity of the solution, you know the formula of molarity. Molarity.
Yes, sir.
Number of moles of solute by volume in liter. B stands for solute.
Yes, sir.
Right.
Yes, sir.
So now you please calculate number of moles of solute. What is the formula of number of moles of solute?
Molar mass of solute by molar mass of solute.
Yeah, mass of solute by molar mass of solute. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Now put the values. What is the value of WB? What is the value of WB? In the question they have given
5 gram.
Yeah, this is only WB. So write down here that it is of 5 gram. What is MB?
34.
Yeah,
34, sir.
H2O2 16 16 32 and 2 hydrogen 34. Okay, so this is gram per mole. Mole will come on top. Gram will be cancelled. So 5 by 34 mole is present.
Okay, sir.
So this is mole. This is mole. So we have converted weight into mole.
Okay, sir.
So one part is completed. How much mole is there? 5 by 34.
Okay, sir.
What is the volume of the solution?
Volume of the solution is
100 ml.
0.1
100 ml.
liter.
100 ml. So convert into liter. That liter is required because the formula is
0.1.
so this is 0.1. This is liter. This is mole. So this is your answer.
Okay, sir.
Shall I arrange it in a proper way?
Yes, sir.
So 5 molarity is equal to 5 by 34 into 0.1, and the unit is mole per liter. Okay. Now you can solve it.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, 5 by 34. Okay, point is there, no? So it came 10 mole per liter. So you can solve it. 5 10 ja 50. This is 34. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So 1.5 m.
Mole per liter. Think that it is 35 only. So what will be the value?
1 by 7. 10 by 7.
How much?
Actually, 10 by 7.
50 by
10 by
34.
7. Okay. Now you have to
Okay,
divide 10 by 7.
Actually, sir, the screen is updating later.
Okay, that's
So 1.47.
1.47. Okay, so 1.4. Any idea is there? 1.4?
Sir, 1.5.
So if it is 1.47, we can come to the
Right.
yeah, we can write 1.5. No,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
rounding off. That's
Yes,
why in
sir.
question they are asking approximately.
Mhm.
Definitely this can't be. This can't be. This can't be. Near answer is 1.5 only, because 1.47 is equal to 1.5. Right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
Did you understand the question?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
What is the basic formula? Molarity is equal to number of moles of solute by volume in liter.
Liter.
Okay.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
sir.
So up to 2-3 days you use this type of formula only. So basic formula, because once you get in practice, then you can use directly this formula. Molarity is equal to WB by MB. Okay. Volume
Okay,
in
sir.
milliliter, then 1000, like this. Actually we have used this formula only. Indirectly we have used this formula only.
Yes, sir.
Did you understand?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
See how we have used same formula. What is the WB? Tell me. 5 gram. What is the
Yes.
MB? 34. What is the volume? 100.
100.
So see, automatically the values are coming like this only. Oh, this is
50 by
1 ja
34.
10 ja, so 5 into 10 50 divided by 34. Did you understand, children?
Yes, sir.
Same thing came or not?
Yes, sir.
Same thing came. 50 divided by 34 or 35, round the figure. I think you got the point now.
Yes, sir.
What we have done here, we have taken the values separately and then we have involved in this equation.
Okay, sir.
Right?
Hmm.
But here what we are doing, at a time we are considering everything, and we are manufacturing here only. Did you understand?
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Previously we have to use number of moles calculation somewhere else, volume calculation is somewhere else. But finally what we have to do, we came to know that everything we have to do only, so we have assembled everything here only.
Okay, sir.
आ रहा है बात समझ में, ऊपर ऊपर से जा रहा है?
Sir, आ रहा है,
understood.
ठीक है,
ठीक है सर.
किसको नहीं समझ में आया ये वाला बात? जितना पूछोगे उतना समझ में आएगा. ओके, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन.
Next question.
आया साहब, पिछला वाला क्वेश्चन समझ में आ गया था सबको?
Yes, sir.
हाँ.
हाँ, लिखो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. द अमाउंट ऑफ ऑक्सैलिक एसिड.
The question number.
क्वेश्चन नंबर 66. द अमाउंट ऑफ ऑक्सैलिक एसिड. द अमाउंट ऑफ ऑक्सैलिक एसिड जिसका इक्विवेलेंट वेट है 63, required to prepare 500 milliliter of its 0.1 normality solution is option A, option 2, option 3, option 4. 66, no, question number 66. 0.315 gram, 3.150 gram, 6.3 gram and 63 gram. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Start solving and really struggle for this question so that you can understand what exactly we have to know.
Okay, sir.
The amount of oxalic acid required to prepare beta, this normality, this volume, okay, equivalent weight is this. What is equivalent weight? Means from our language,
Okay,
E
sir.
equal to 63 gram. Did you understand?
Yes, sir.
EQ weight means capital E. Okay.
Yes.
Oxalic acid, you know, the oxalic acid X factor equal to 2. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Want to know why?
Yes, sir.
Oxalic acid is this one. This one is known as oxalic acid. This is known as oxalic acid.
The screen has not updated only, sir.
Yes, sir.
Is it updated now?
No, sir. Was slowly updating.
Kritika.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Thank
See,
you, sir.
the amount of oxalic acid. This is oxalic acid. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So it's x equal to 2. So how can I say that x equal to 2? I am observing 2h are there, okay? Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
So I can understand that during chemical reaction, this H will play an active role and they will
Sir,
transfer.
can you show the structure once again?
Oxalic acid, see. Can I draw the oxalic acid once again?
Yes, sir.
Oxalic acid, C, carbon, carbon, double bond, okay? Double bond oxygen, double bond oxygen. This is oxalic acid.
Sir, screen.
Yes, sir. Now it's visible.
Now it's visible.
What happened? Not
No, sir. Before, at first, the screen was not visible. That's why.
actually some.
Now it is coming, sir.
Yes, sir. Now it's
Yes,
okay.
Slowly,
sir.
slowly coming, sir.
Now tell me how much H are there?
2.
2.
2 H are there, no?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Yes, sir.
So I told you this is one molecule. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Sir, now the background noise is coming from your side.
Okay. Where should I take this system? बंद करो. वो काम कर रहा है क्या? Okay, children.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
This is. Tell me, this is atom or a molecule?
Molecule.
Molecule.
How many molecule?
2 molecule.
2 molecules.
Nothing is written in left hand side means one is written.
1.
So it is one molecule.
Yes, sir. 1 molecule.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Nothing is written at the top. 0.
Yes, sir.
Oxidation.
0 oxidation number.
Net charge is 0.
Atomicity 1.
And means total this. If this is a molecule, no. So
Molecularity.
here is also 1 only.
So what is its molar weight, sir?
Molar weight.
Sir, 90.
Calculate.
Sir, 90,
So
sir,
if
90.
nothing is written here means 1 is written. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Sometime it will be useful, sometime it will be not useful also. Let us
Yes,
think.
sir.
So now what I want to know is, now I want to add one more thing, that if you draw the structure, then how many places are there? 1, 2 and 3. Tell me, at the right top will give you idea about.
Oxidation number.
Right down will give idea about atomicity. Okay. And if it is a molecule, it will give you molecularity that I have developed. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Left hand
Yes,
side,
sir.
it will give you number of
particles.
Particles and number of moles.
Okay. Now I want to give you that one more box is there. At middle of this 2, okay, and that is known as X. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
So I told you that I will make you understand what is X. So now, how can you write the X value? See the structure properly and see, okay, and just see that how many OH groups are there.
2.
That's why I told you the X factor is X is 2 only. Okay.
Means we have to count the OH groups only.
Yeah, only OH.
Sir, if in a molecule there's OH is not present, then what is the value of H?
Okay.
1 or 0?
Tell me any molecule where OH is not present. Tell me.
Sir, NaCl.
Wait. NaCl.
So, sir, we can also find
Okay.
out by the formula, sir, X factor formula.
Okay, NaCl. Hello. How many
Yes,
places?
sir.
How many places are there?
4.
Previously it is 3 only. Today only we have added the 4th one. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So this will give you nothing is written means 0.
0.
Nothing is written means 1.
1.
Yes.
Nothing is written means 1.
Yes, sir.
1.
Yes, sir.
1.
Okay. And now this will give you
1.
this is known as X. Okay.
Yes, sir.
And what is X?
Yes, sir.
Also 1.
Actually X means number of electron exchanged.
Yes.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay.
Yes.
So we will give priority if we find that any OH group is there in the molecule. OH group.
Yes, sir.
Simply we will count them.
Okay, sir.
So maximum of the molecule will be having OH group. Okay.
Yes, sir.
If OH group is not there. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Then what we will do? Then we will give priority to cation. Cation.
Okay, sir.
Cation.
Okay, sir.
Did you understand? Cation.
Yes, yes, sir.
Now tell me how many positive charge is there?
1.
1.
X equal to 1.
Okay.
Did you
Okay,
understand?
sir. Yes,
Yes, sir.
So either molecule will be having OH groups. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So if no OH
Sir,
group
we
is
can
there,
also
then what we
covalent-
have to do?
Yes,
Sir,
sir.
Sir, will you please repeat again?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I will
Please
repeat.
repeat.
I will repeat. Okay, what I told. Up to this is okay.
Yes, sir. It's okay.
Now I want to know X value. Okay, so if you want to know X, just you calculate OH groups are there. If you think that OH groups are not there,
In the cations.
then you give priority to cation.
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
And just see how much positive charge on cation.
1 positive
1.
charge.
The X value equal to 1. Any problem?
Yes, sir. No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay. This I am giving technique actually. Actually X is number of electron exchanged.
Okay, sir.
So actually only one electron has been exchanged from Na to Cl. Ionic bond formation.
Okay, sir.
Right?
Yes, sir.
Did you
Yes,
remember?
sir.
Na 2 8
8, 1.
So you know very well that to make
Yes.
molecule
Yes,
it will
sir. Yes,
it
sir.
will lose electron one only. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So Na previously it was element, then it form a compound, and to form a compound how many electron lost?
1.
One.
That only I told you number of electron exchanged.
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now little bit tower is showing any signal.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
4G signal.
Yeah. We'll convert into 5G. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So indirectly this positive charge is telling that to make this molecule I have donated 1 electron per molecule.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And that
Yes,
number
sir.
of electron exchange is known as X.
Yes, sir.
I think now
Yes,
matter
sir.
is clear to you.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay, so now, so what I was telling you, so this is the structure, children.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now this is one molecule,
Yes, sir.
nothing is
Yes,
written
sir.
1, nothing is written 0. What is the X value?
2.
2.
Did you understand?
Yes, sir.
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 And when you know this X value, then you can easily calculate that normality is equal to molarity into X.
Into 2.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So one relation is beautiful relation is developed. Normality is equal to molarity into 2 for oxalic acid.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now let us come to the original track. Is it visible to you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
The amount of oxalic acid whose equivalent weight is 63 required to prepare 500 milliliter of its 0.10 normality. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, so remember everything. I will ask you data. So let us consider normality. Okay, number of equivalents and volume. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, volume in liter. Now tell me, what are the data provided to you? What is the normality of the solution given to you?
0.1.
0.1.
0.1.
0.1. What is the volume given to you?
500 ml, which is 0.5 liter.
0.5
0.5
liter.
liter. Okay.
0.5.
Yes, sir.
So can I use like this? 0.1. Shall I pull this here? 0.5 is equal
Yes,
to
sir.
number of
0.05.
Yes, sir.
0.05.
0.05.
0.05.
So
0.05.
0.05 is equal to number of equivalents.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
Okay, sir.
sir.
Okay. Now you know this formula. Number of equivalent is equal to weight by equivalent weight.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
If you don't know, please let me know so I can clear you that what you have missed. So number of equivalent equal to 0.05 and equivalent weight is equal to 63 in the question they have given.
Sir.
Sir.
So can you calculate W?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
0.05 into 63. Right.
3.15.
So let us see 63 and 0.05. 5 3 ja 15, 1 6 5 ja
Sir,
30,
3.15.
3.15.
3.15. Let us see any option is there or not.
Sir, second option.
Second option is the best answer for you. Keep on smiling. Keep on smiling. Right.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So tell me the time.
5.
Sir,
It's 57.
4:57. Oh my God. So this is the oxalic acid. So we have added one more feature in our study. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So I will add features and features only after completion of 11 and 12. Every molecule I will add features and I will make every molecule as a coronavirus. Okay. So once it is attached, okay.
Yes, sir.
Is it looking like corona? No. So see,
Yes, sir.
really I'm telling you at the end of the chemistry 11 and 12, everywhere I will add some information.
Features.
And these features only the chemistry, children. Regarding at the beginning only I told that in chemistry we discuss about the properties related to atoms and molecules,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
and these all are properties only. Bye bye.
Bye,
Okay,
sir.
sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye, sir.
Timberlake.